Christmas is a season of wonder, joy, and togetherness. It's a time when children dream of Santa, gifts, and magical adventures, while families come together to celebrate the spirit of giving. Merry Christmas, Sparkles in Santa's Workshop is a storybook created to capture the heart of this joyful season, bringing young readers into a world of twinkling lights, joyful elves, and a magical workshop where the wonders of Christmas are born. Through the eyes of Ella, a curious and kind-hearted child, this story takes readers on a festive journey filled with adventure, wonder, and valuable lessons. From the bustling activity of Santa's workshop to the snowy enchantment of the glittering forest, every chapter holds a message about kindness, generosity, and the importance of giving from the heart. This book was inspired by the desire to bring the warmth and joy of Christmas to children and families, reminding us all that the true magic of the holiday lies not in the presents we receive but in the love we share. Each chapter is crafted to engage young minds, encouraging them to embrace the spirit of the season, value friendship, and discover the joy of giving. As you turn these pages, I hope you and your family will be transported into the magical world of the North Pole, where Santa, his joyful elves, and a very special girl named Ella work together to bring the spirit of Christmas to life. May this book be a reminder that the real sparkle of Christmas comes not from glittering decorations or shiny presents but from the kindness and joy we give to each other. Merry Christmas, and may the magic of the season shine brightly in your hearts. Chapter 1. The Countdown Begins. Hollyville was the kind of town that came to life when winter set in. As soon as the first snowflakes began to fall, the town's spirit seemed to awaken, shimmering under a thick blanket of snow. The rooftops of the cozy cottages were covered in frost, smoke curled lazily from chimney tops, and every window glowed with warm golden light. Shops along the main street were festooned with bright red ribbons, evergreen garlands, and twinkling fairy lights. Hollyville Square, with its giant Christmas tree, stood as a testament to the season, draped in tinsel and ornaments, with a star that sparkled like a beacon against the cold night sky. It was only a week before Christmas, and Hollyville was buzzing with the excitement of the countdown. In every home, children were busy writing their letters to Santa Claus, checking their stockings, and decorating their homes with lights and ornaments. There were wreaths on doors, candy canes hung on trees, and the sounds of carolers echoed through the snow.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?